Hi, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make this $20 ring or any ring dollar like so right there. I'm going to show you how you can make this ring out of a $20 bill or any dollar you have or money right there. Now what you want to do is have your dollar like I have right here, and what you want to do first is this flap right here. You want to fold it right down here, your flap, like right here. You see this flap right here under here? You want to fold that right here, but this way right there. And now what you want to do, once you folded it like I have right here, you want to go right here and then fold it right, fold this flap right here, but into this pocket right here. Right there, fold it into that pocket to where it lines up with this fold right here. Do that, and then what you want to do is fold it again, but do not fold it into this pocket right there. And now what you want to do right there is fold it right there, and then you want to, you see your $20 bill right there. What you want to do is you want to fold this 20 right here. Right here you want to fold this 20 right there, this way, and then you want to fold it again this way right there, so your 20 is almost getting cut off, but not that much. And then what you want to do right there is you see you have another flap that you need right here. What you want to do is fold it to where you see the T in the 20 right there. Fold it right there like I am right there, and then what you want to do is flip this dollar bill over. And then what you want to do right now is, you see you have a big long flap. What you want to do is fold it right here onto it right here like that, and then you want to grab this flap right here right there like this. You want to fold it until it meets right here. Fold it right there, and you'll have this $20 bill where it has right here. You should have this right there. And then what you want to do is fold this flap right here on right here right there. And now you should have your $20 number right there on the flap right here. And now you want to grab the other flap to where this bright 20 is right there, and you want to fold it onto this pocket that it's gonna make right now, like I'm doing. Right in there. And now you will see a pocket right here that looks like a star-shaped pocket right there. What you want to do is find something to poke the hole. I mean, not to poke a hole, but to open the pocket right there, so you can insert this little flap right there. I'm gonna insert the flap right there, and you should see that the $20 bill got into a ring right there. You see right there, the $20 ring is made right there. So please like and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones on how to make a dollar origami. If you want more videos like these ones on how to make origami with money, please leave it in the comments that you want me to make another one, and like these videos. Like this video so it lets me know that you want me to make more of these paper money origami. Please like and subscribe for more videos like these ones. Bye.